Hi everyone, welcome to video 16 in my 22 under $20 series. Today I'm going to talk about rosemary essential oil. So I'm going to be completely honest here. I don't enjoy rosemary as an herb, and so I kind of avoided rosemary oil for a while. I thought, oh, I really don't like it. But a friend of mine told me that she uses it in her diffuser recipes a lot and mixed with citrus, and she loved it. So I thought, okay, I'm going to give rosemary a try. And now I love it. So funny, how we have these preconceptions about things. But rosemary oil, if you do some research, it is an amazing oil. It helps so many things. It was actually considered sacred by the ancient Greeks, and you know, after kind of researching it, I understand why. So rosemary promotes a healthy digestion. It actually promotes healthy function of all of your internal organs. I don't know of very many other oils that can say that. So it really is like an overall kind of body tonic. It reduces nervous tension and fatigue as well. So, I mean, that's amazing, those two things together. It's awesome to diffuse to increase your concentration, and to take, you obviously can take it internally, aromatically, and topically. Now, it is very potent, so if you are cooking with it, you really want a tiny amount. And most of the herbs, I would say that that's true. My little trick is to take a toothpick and put it into the hole in the top of the orifice reducer. I'll show you here. So I just tuck a toothpick right down into that hole and swish some oil onto it and pull it out. And then I will swirl that toothpick into the pot of soup or pasta sauce or stew or whatever it is I'm making, because generally that tiny amount of oil is all that you need. So my daughter does a lot of cooking with essential oils, and she will frequently just put a drop of rosemary, thyme, marjoram, basil, whatever in her palm, rub them together, and then rub it on her meat before she proceeds to cook or marinate the meat. So that's how she uses the oils, just a little tip. And she does videos on this page for you guys all the time, and I love that because that's really kind of her specialty. So in terms of emotionally, I mentioned that it can reduce nervous tension and fatigue. It encourages upliftment, confidence, clarity, energy, and concentration. So as I mentioned, add some rosemary to your diffuser blends. Don't be afraid of it. If it's an herb that you don't particularly like to eat, it doesn't mean that you won't enjoy the scent when it's combined with the right other oils. So here is my diffuser recipe using rosemary for you to try this week, and it is called Fresh and Clean. So it's 1 drop of lavender, 1 drop of rosemary, and 2 drops of lemon. Try that out. Let me know how you like it. And I think that you will find that you will be using rosemary in your diffuser recipes a lot more. I know that I do. I love it now, combined with some citrus and sometimes some woodsy oils. And so give it a try and let me know what you think. Thanks, guys.